Hi sir, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am also fine. Uh,
Mm.
would you don't mind tell me about something yourself?
Yeah, of course. My name is Parvez Hawladar. You can call me Parvez because it's my nickname. What about you?
Yeah, my name is Jobair Hossain and you call me Jobair.
Okay.
Uh,
Where are you from?
I am from Noakhali and you?
I'm from Munshiganj.
Tell me about something your hometown.
Yeah, my hometown name is Munshiganj. It is a very beautiful district. There, it's famous for the thousands of years ago. A Buddhist monastery found in the village of Rampal. And it's also famous for potato. It is one of the best. It is one of the largest founder of potato, producer of potato. That's why it's famous. And their people is very hospitality. Yeah.
Are you
Hospitality.
a student of English fantasy?
Yeah, I'm a student of English fantasy. In April batch.
How many days spend you in English fantasy?
I spent more than 15 days in English fantasy.
So please tell me about something. Tell me about something in
English
English
fantasy.
fantasy.
Yeah, English fantasy is a good institute for learning English, and their environment is also good. Residential care, people living living area, and also canteen is all good, and they provide 24/7 English talking. That's it's good for learning English.
Uh, Tell me about something or outstation class.
Yeah, they also provide 2 times a day outdoor class, and then we remove our in outdoor class we remove our hesitation for speaking English and be fluent. That's why they provide this, and it's good for our
Uh, is,
fluency.
is English fantasy have a good environment for learning English?
Yeah, of course, there are many facilities to learn English. Every time you talk English, otherwise, if you say any kind of Bengali word, then they find you. That's the reason you learn
In
English more.
English fantasy, who is your favorite teacher?
Yeah, my favorite teacher is Nur Faraji sir. He is our mentor, and he is a very kind person. He teaches us very easily. That's
Thank you so much. Nice
okay.
to meet you.
Nice to
Touch
meet
you
you.
again,
Touch you again
brother.
in another topic, another video. Okay.